Hey there guys, let me show you how to insert an image in a text. So in PowerPoint, so first of all, let's just do some content shapes. First of all, what we're gonna do is insert some things in this template to make it decorative and look like a slide. So for now, I'll just add some diamond shapes like these, and let's just move them upwards, and let's just duplicate them and place them right here. And for these four, let's move them upwards to make both of the shapes equal in each sides, and select them and move them right here like this. For the unwanted side shapes, let's just remove them. And for the downward unwanted shapes, also remove them. Select these and put them into the center and remove the outline, and next insert a rectangle that covers the outer side of the left side triangles, and then subtract them from this rectangle to remove their unwanted part that is out of the template. So what you have to do is cover the unwanted part from this rectangle of that shape, and then select that shape and then the rectangle by pressing Ctrl key, and then go to merge option and click on subtract shape. Similarly, you're going to repeat the process. I'll also show you how to insert an image into some shapes. So first of all, let me just subtract all of these shapes. I have just slowed down the process because I want you to see how I did this and that you can easily follow the steps. Keep subtracting them till all the shapes are complete. So this is the final shape and I have subtracted it as well. Select all of these and group them, and then go to format shape, picture texture fill, and then insert an image from wherever you want to use. So I'll just use an image from the online pictures that are given in the PowerPoint. Select one of these images and insert them in the template. Next, you can adjust the image by these offset options. So I'll just increase the image size. Next, I'll show you the main step. What you have to do is insert a text box and insert your text in it, increase its size and change its font and change its color if you want. Align it into the center, go to format shape and go to text options and click on picture texture fill and insert your image from the insert button. So you can also clipboard the copied image, and that was all for today in this video. And if you like this tutorial, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video.